Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with a brand new Android 13, and let me share with you how to block a number with this operating system. So basically we've got two different ways of blocking a number and also two different ways of entering the blacklist, and of course I'll show you both. So I want to begin with the blocking using the dialer settings, and at the same time I'll show you how to enter the blacklist. So let's open the dialer. And here from this tab we have to tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and this is actually our blacklist. So here we can customize it. As you can see, we can turn on the unknown option, which simply means that your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. It's of course up to you. And here I would like to show you the first way of blocking a number. Here you can do it manually. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see right here we can enter the number manually. Let's tap on block and it will immediately appear on the block list. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear also on the second blacklist, so the blacklist which will be opened in the second way. So that was the first way of blocking the number manually, and the second way is by using the contacts. So first of all, let's open your contact list, and here basically you can block a number which is currently saved on your contacts. And all you have to do here is to simply tap on the one you'd like to block and tap on the three dot icon right here. As you can see, we've got the option block numbers, so let's tap, and here your device will of course ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. As you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, we've got the information that this number has been blocked. So let's go back right now here. And that was, as I said, that was the second way of blocking a number. And now let me show you the second way of entering the blacklist. So all we have to do is to simply tap on fix and manage. And as you can see in the other tools, we've got blocked numbers. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the same blacklist which we had in the first way of blocking a number. So that's the number we just blocked manually, and that's the number from our contact list. So basically the same situation. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to unblock a number using two different ways in the Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.